I am Chanel Matthews and this is Unfiltered. Proverbs are a big part of Jamaica's culture. It is passed down through generations with powerful lessons. Today we are asking, which Jamaican proverb guides or motivates you in your daily life?
If you want good, you know that for run. And the reason why that stands out for me is because if it is in your interest for you to have excellence, it's in your right to work as hard as you can for what you want.
It's about making sacrifices and understanding that there will be challenges in life, but you have to go towards your goal regardless of what comes.
What your eye don't see, your heart won't lead. Meaning, in other words, what you don't see or what you don't hear, you no business with it. Just leave it alone. See? You chat too much and sit too much, you get yourself in trouble. Simple.
I'm not sure if it's a Jamaican proverb, but my grandma, who is now deceased, she usually says this one thing and it has stuck with me through the entirety of my life. She always says that if you spit in the sky, it shall fall on your face. Take what you can from this and do what you must.
One cocoa full basket. Because right now me upon retirement, right? And me there I try every little thing to this one I can achieve. That's why I say one cocoa full basket.
Tenants in a while na dance on interference. Well, I mean that simply means say if you see something, you don't interfere with it because it's not yours. So what is not yours, you just leave it alone. That's what it means to me.
Look before you leap. It means that you must make sure and certify what you are going into before you just jump on it and then you're at the bottomless pit.
Well, my old lady used to tell me, say you play with puppy, you lick him out. See? And if you ram with dog, lie with dog, I will catch free. You see? And we see whole part that are going right now.
Well, right now my mom always told me that if you want good, you know have to run. And becoming an adult, I see what she meant. Alright, so I'm going to college, pursuing a degree and stuff like that, and seeing the struggles you have to go through as an adult, maybe balancing work and school at the same time. You realize that you have to make the sacrifices needed to become a great person.